cough, sneeze, and laugh in a feminine or masculine voice? Hi, my name is Chloe Michelle with the Seattle Voice Lab, and we do all things voice here. So what I would like you to know is that glottal stops are the key to success. What is a glottal stop? Well, glottal stops are where you go, uh-oh, and then uh-oh is the stop that starts all of the reactionary sounds that your body is intending to make. So if the larynx is high, uh-oh. If the larynx is low, uh-oh. You know what comes next. So how do we actually use it now? Choo. Alright, I hope that helps. This one's super awkward. Anyway,